Which small black and white animal sprays a stinky liquid as a defense when scared? Skunks spray a foul scent. Which bird is famous for having the longest migration journey of any animal? Arctic terns travel pole to pole annually. Which insect is known for looking almost exactly like a twig or branch? Stick insects blend in with twigs. Which animal uses sound waves, called echolocation, to find its way and hunt in the dark? Bats use echoes to navigate and hunt. What body part do fish use to breathe underwater? Fish use gills to extract oxygen from water. Which large, black and white animal eats almost nothing but bamboo? Pandas famously eat only bamboo.